guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. Today we will be making Coquito, which is a Puerto Rican eggnog. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 4 containers of coconut milk, 4 evaporated milks, 2 cream of cocoa, and 1 to 1.5 of sweetened condensed milk. For your spices, you need star anise, some nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract. Try not to get the imitation, you will taste the difference. Then our alcohol of choice will be Bacardi Gold. And then this container is just what we're gonna put it in after. Okay, so guys, this recipe is extremely easy, honestly foolproof. You're just gonna add all of your cans into the pot along with all of your spices and stuff. So I started off with coconut milk, then I added in coconut cream, then we went for our evaporated milk. After that, you added in your condensed milk, and that was it for all of like the cans. I only ended up using 1 can of the condensed milk. And then you whip everything together, and then you start with your spices. We're gonna go in with, honestly, I do like maybe 1/4 of the bag of the star anise. I use my vanilla extract, not the imitation one, because as I said, you'll taste the difference. I put in some nutmeg, and then instead of using the powdered cinnamon, I went in with actual cinnamon sticks because I don't know, I just feel like it gives more flavor. Then I mix all of that around and boom, you leave it probably for about 20 minutes or so. Then we come in with our alcohol. Some people use 1 cup of alcohol. Honestly, I feel like add as much as you want and just taste test it throughout and you'll figure out how you like it yourself. So I go in with a small spoon, taste it, make sure that I like it, and then that's it. And when I'm adding the alcohol, I turn off my stove. So at the end, you can use a strainer if you don't want to get like little pieces on the inside, but I don't really mind it. But you can use a strainer, and then you can use a funnel to get it in. I'm just using this 1/2 cup because that's what I had on hand. And I put it into a bottle, and I get ready to add it to the fridge, and that's it. Okay guys, so that is it. That's how you make Puerto Rican eggnog, aka Coquito. If you've made it this far, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on all social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one.